Hi guys, welcome back to our mathematics tutorial. My name is Peter C. Dogba Jr., your math tutor, and I'm also an instructor of mathematics at the University of Liberia. In today's lesson, we want to continue with question 4, 5, and 6. Because in the previous lesson, we did 1, 2, and 3. So let's now do question 4, 5, and 6. So question 4 says y equals to ln of cos of 8x all raised to the power 5. Now, this means that whatever that we have in there must be multiplied 5 times. This is not like say only cos of 8x must be multiplied 5 times. And remember, like in this problem in question number 3, we brought this 3 down. You cannot do it here to drop this 5. No, you don't. You don't do that. So what we can do, we can apply so many different rules. We can even use the chain rule. We allow u to be what is inside. We differentiate this one, and after that, we find the other derivative. So let's use the chain rule, for instance. So we say the chain rule, we say let u equals to what is in, what is within. So we have ln of cos of 8x. Then we differentiate, we find du by dx. So the derivative of ln of a function is just equal to 1 over that function, cos of 8x, times the derivative of the function. So what's the derivative of cos? It's negative sine of the angle 8x. Then remember, whenever you differentiate a trigonometric function, you must differentiate its angle. So the derivative of 8x now is just equal to 8. So du by dx is just equal to negative. This is now negative. This 8 comes behind. We have 8 sine of 8x all over cos of 8x. So we know that sine over cos is just equal to tangent. So it's minus 8 tangent of 8x. So du by dx is just equal to negative tangent of 8x. Now let's go back. Y equals, so this was replaced with u, so it's u now raised to the 5th power. So we find dy by du, the derivative of the function y with respect to the variable x. So we bring this power down, 5, u raised to the 4th power because we subtracted 1 from there. Now, remember the formula. Dy by dx is equal to du by dx times times dy by du. So this du by dx, we got this. So dy by dx now is just negative 8 tangent of 8x times dy by du is just 5u to the 4th power. So this now becomes 5u to the 4th power. So we can rewrite it because we know that u is just equal to this expression. So dy by dx is equal to negative 8 tangent of 8x, and then this 5 now can be multiplied by this 8, that will give us 40. So we have u now to be this expression, which is here, this whole thing. So it's ln of cos of 8x all raised to the power 4. So this is actually the derivative. What if you say, I don't want to go through those, I don't want to, that's a long step. What if you refer to it as a long step? He said, let me just use my extended power rule. I just bring this power down, rewrite what is here, and differentiate what is with inside. So y prime from here will just be equal to 5. Then we rewrite ln of cos of 8x. We subtract 1 from this power, it gives us 4. So we see that we already got this one. Times the derivative of what is within. So the derivative of ln of cos of 8x is just equal to 1 all over cos of 8x times the derivative of cos of 8x. So we differentiate cos, we get negative sine of 8x. And we know that when we differentiate a trig function, we must differentiate the angle. So the derivative of this angle now gives us 8. So now what do? We just simplify the problem. So this is negative. So the negative comes outside. This is 5 times 8 times 5 is 40. This is sine of 8x divided by cos of 8x is tangent. And then this one now is ln of cos of 8x raised to the power 4. So you either go this way using the u substitution, that's the chain rule, or you just directly use the extended power rule, whatever way you want to go. So let's look at the next problem. The next problem says y equals to ln of x raised to the second power. So this is similar to what we just were doing. So we have y prime now, we're just using the extended power rule. We bring this power down 2. We rewrite ln of x. We subtract 1 from this is just 1. Then we differentiate ln of x, which is 1 over x. So what do we have? Y prime is equals to 2 the ln of x all over x. This is our answer. Now you don't cancel this x and this x. This is the argument for this natural logarithm function. Question 6 says f of x is equal to the ln of 5x to the 5th power, the second power, plus 9, all raised to the 3rd power. So again, we can use the extended power rule. We'll bring this power down, f prime of x is equal to 3. We rewrite 5x squared plus 9 raised to the power 2. Subtract that 1 from there. And then we differentiate inside. What's the derivative of ln of 5x squared plus 9? It's just 1 all over 5x squared plus 9 times the derivative of this argument, 5x squared plus 9, which is just 2 times 5 is 10. So it's 10x. So what do we have? F prime of x is equal to 10 times 3. It's just 30, right? So this is 30x. The ln of 5x squared plus 9 all raised to the second power divided by 5x squared plus 9. So this is our final answer. So thanks all so much for watching. In our next set of videos, we're going to solve more challenging problems. Thank you. See you in our next class.